Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents directly on your iPhone using email. First, locate and open the email that contains the document you need to sign. This document is usually attached as a PDF file, ready for your edits. Make sure you can clearly see the attachment within the email body. This is the very first step to getting your document signed quickly and efficiently, right from your mobile device. Once you have the email open, tap directly on the document attachment to bring it up in a full-screen preview. Do not download it separately yet, just open the preview. Now, look for the markup icon, which often looks like a small pen tip, typically found in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Tap this icon to access the suite of tools that will allow you to add your signature to the document. After tapping the markup icon, a toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. You will see a small plus sign icon, usually in the bottom right corner of this toolbar. Tap on this plus sign to expand more options. From the list that pops up, select Signature. Here, you can either create a brand new signature using your finger, or you can select an existing one if you have saved one before, making this process very convenient. Once you have either drawn or selected your signature, it will automatically appear on your document. Now, simply tap and drag your signature with your finger to move it precisely to where it needs to be placed on the form. If the size isn't quite right, you will notice small blue dots around the edges of your signature. Tap and drag these blue dots to resize the signature, making it larger or smaller until it fits perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.